I'm excited to show you this Model X. We're finally done with it and it looks freaking cool. This has to be as blacked out as it gets. Tell me this does not look mean.
Sick.
So first things first, guys, we tinted the windows, all the windows on this Model X, sides, back, front windshield in PhotoSync RD, so it blocks an insane amount of heat. And here's the inside view of the front windshield, the sides, and the back. And there's the sunroof as well. Next thing we did was the chrome delete all the way around. Fog light strips, the T logos front and rear, window trims, mirrors, fender badges, door handles, trunk strip, all done in satin black so it matches with the wrap. Full vehicle Satin Guard wrap. So the car was originally gloss black, normal standard factory paint, and now it's this satin matte translucent black. Not only does it change the color, but it also protects the paint against rock chips and scratches, so it's like a 2-in-1. So from this angle you guys kind of see that tri-tone effect. So right here is that translucent effect, whereas right here is more satin, and right here is more matte. You get that really cool dimensional detailed look to it. And when I shift angles, you'll notice that the translucent kind of shifts into the satin and matte finish. What do you guys think? You like it? Let me know in the comments down below. I want to hear your thoughts on this.